Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a double Marc Jacobs unboxing video, so if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I was on the Nordstrom website and I found two cuties I could not pass up, so let's get started with the small box first and see what I could not resist. And here it is, guys. Do you know what this is? So I had not seen this until I was browsing on the Nordstrom website recently, and I loved this. So I went ahead and picked it up, and I'm curious your thoughts on this. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, so this is the cutest. This is the shades case. I know. Is this not the cutest thing ever? So as I said, I picked mine up from Nordstrom. I just love this shade of pink. It is absolutely stunning. This is Bow Pink. This little cutie retails for $150, has the most beautiful sort of pebbled leather, and of course embossed here on the front, the shades case, Marc Jacobs. Really, really cute. So the dimensions of this little cutie are 6.5 inches in the width. It is 3.5 inches in the height, and then the depth of this cute little bag is 2.5 inches deep. So it does come with this cute little wristlet, which is, as you can see, removable. Super cute. So of course you can remove it and just throw it in your bag. So this is where you put your sunglasses. It has a really nice sort of magnetic closure right there. Really nice. Then on this side, you have your card holder, and it's so pretty. You'll see Marc Jacobs, the shades case, and again with that beautiful leather. So pretty. Here is our little zipper pull, also in leather. And here's our care card. And then, oh cute, we have a little dust bag. And then here you can easily put money, your checkbook, and then right here, it's embossed Marc Jacobs. Really, really pretty, you guys. I absolutely love this. When I saw this on the website, I knew I had to have it. It is just adorable. Such a cute thing to just run in the store with if you don't want to take the entire bag with you, or if you just don't carry a lot. You know, this is perfect. It's really, really cute. I love the style of it. I love the shade. Again, this is the shade Bow Pink, and it is absolutely beautiful. I feel like $150 for genuine leather is super fair. Like I said, really, really fun, cute, and I'm here for it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you're enjoying this video, please like, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Let's see what else I picked up. Okay guys, so this was another one I could not pass up. I loved this the first time I saw it, and I felt like it was something absolutely I would wear all the time. Let me get rid of this box. Here we go. This to me is just the most beautiful kind of everyday bag. So here, I know, isn't it gorgeous, you guys? So this is the sack bag in the most beautiful denim. Isn't this beautiful? Ugh, I'm in love. The bow is stunning. So this is actually called the Bow Denim Sack Bag, and I'm in love with it. So this retails for $350, and it's just the most beautiful sort of everyday throw all the things inside the bag. It's a great everyday size. I love this kind of slouchy denim bag vibe that it's giving me. Of course, you could put an organizer in and make it super structured if you wanted. So it does have a magnetic closure. And let's check out this side of the bag. So there you have Marc Jacobs, the bow denim sack bag right there, and just a really pretty sort of washed denim. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. I love it more in person even than on the website. So let me see if I can show you. Oops. Take this out, and I'll show you that in just a second. I want to show you the inside first. The hole in there to put all the things. And then on this side, hope you can see there's a really nice slip pocket, has the care card in there, and just very nice. This is where I would put my phone, 100%. But it is such a nice, spacious, like I said, somewhat slouchy bag. It is beautiful. What do you guys think? Pretty, you guys. All right, it does come with a dust bag, and it also comes with this, which is an absolute added bonus in my opinion. This is so cute, you guys. Love this so much. So nice little pouch to put inside the bag. Here you have the attachment. It's got a little lobster claw, and this can easily just attach inside here. There is a, let me see if I can, there is a D-ring inside the bag that you would just attach that to, just for like a little bit of added safety and security and easy find and reach. I think this is absolutely beautiful. So it has the really pretty sort of gunmetal hardware, and it is embossed Marc Jacobs. Has a nice little pull here and nice zipper, just a nice pouch with a cotton lining. Really, really pretty. I love this bag so much. I think it is gorgeous. I also really, really love this little cutie, and I'm excited to sport this. And I absolutely love this added little cutie to just really tie everything together for me. Like, this to me was super affordable at $350 when I got the pouch and the stunning bag, which, like I said, I feel like I can wear this all year long, and I'm excited to start wearing it and sporting it around. It's beautiful. So really happy with this one. I'm super excited for the shades case. I did want to quickly put my sunglasses in. I do have these Ray-Bans, and I thought, you know what? I'd like to just verify they fit. Okay, they do. Easy. No worries there. We are all set. This is so cute. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it. It helps me out. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Some more Marc Jacobs items on the way. I have purchased maybe 3 more items. So if you go ahead and subscribe, you won't miss those when I do reviews on those. You won't miss the unboxings and my thoughts on those bags. Maybe you're interested in them, so this might be helpful to you. So if so, please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video, and until next time, bye guys.